Good night everybody. This is LEGO Space Set 6842 called Shuttlecraft, even though it doesn't really look like a shuttlecraft. But anyway, it was a small set that came out in 1981. It was only 41 pieces and one minifigure. But it is a special set to me because I actually got this one as a kid. I didn't have many LEGO sets, but I did have this one. On the instructions, they show us how to build the toy, and they also give us some more ideas on some different vehicles we can build with the same parts. Like this one. Okay. Now enough about the instructions, this is the actual toy. We have a minifigure which is a LEGO astronaut, which will look better closely later. And our shuttlecraft, which again doesn't look like a shuttlecraft. It reminds me more of a speeder bike from Star Wars for some reason. It looks like a very small and very fast vehicle. It's got 4 rocket engines underneath and a bigger one in the back here. We have many antennas and some sensors on the sides, some signaling lights on the sides, a steering wheel to drive the thing. Oh yeah, and a LEGO Space emblem in the front, which is golden paint and is fading off, which is a common problem on these vintage sets. We also have some letters on the sides to get on board of the vehicle. Pretty cool. It's simple but very nice looking. Now, who will get on board of this vehicle? Our astronaut. Again, these LEGO astronauts were a classic and still are a classic in toy history. This one is a fine example because the emblem on his chest and the paint on the face are just perfect. Okay, they're not fading. Maybe just a little bit the gold paint on the chest, but nothing bad. Nothing too bad. Okay, focused. The bright red color of the plastic is something you gotta love because LEGO plastic is the best plastic in toy history. And this figure here looks the same as the previous one, which you've seen in a previous set, this one. But this figure on the right is from 1982. This one is from 1981, and they actually have a difference, which is in the helmet. Take the helmets off, and I'll show you. This is the newer helmet from 1982. Look carefully at the chin strap. You can see it's reinforced, it's thicker than the one you'll see in a minute, okay? This is the helmet from 1981 and the chin strap is much thinner. And that made these chin straps easily broken. Now this one is a lucky helmet and got to today still mined, but these were easily broken, and a hint of that is even seen in the LEGO movie that came out a few years ago. Now, anyway, this is our pilot. Get him to pilot the shuttlecraft. We can sit the figure, have him driving the shuttlecraft, like so. Focus the camera, thank you, and start to travel through the stars fast as you can. And that's it. It's a simple toy. It's a yesterday's toy. It's an old vintage toy. We love vintage toys. And if you want to see more of those, just subscribe because we have more coming. And good night.